In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a logo in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know how to bring subtle motion to your logo so it feels polished and professional without overwhelming your design. First, make sure your logo is available in your project. If it isn't there yet, go to Photos, Upload, and choose your logo file from your computer. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks the cleanest, but SVG or high-resolution files also work well. Once it's uploaded, place it where you want it on the canvas. Keep a little breathing room around the edges so the animation has space to move without getting cropped. Next, click the logo to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handling points around it. If your logo is made of multiple pieces, consider grouping them first so everything animates together as one unit. A clean selection helps avoid animating the wrong layer by mistake. With the logo selected, look to the right-hand panel and click Animation. This opens the animation controls specifically for the object you've selected, so any changes you make will apply only to the logo, not the entire page. Now choose a preset animation. You'll see options like Fade, Pop, Slide, Pan, and Zoom. Fade is a gentle option that smoothly brings your logo in and out. Pop adds a bit of bounce and energy, great for playful brands. Slide moves your logo in from a direction and works well for clean, modern looks. Pan creates a lateral motion across the logo, while Zoom pushes in or pulls back for a dramatic reveal. Pick the one that best matches your brand's personality and the tone of your project. After selecting a preset, adjust the speed, direction, and timing. Speed controls how quickly the movement plays. Slower speeds feel elegant and calm, while faster speeds feel lively and attention-grabbing. Direction determines where the motion comes from or goes to, left, right, up, down, so align it with how your layout flows. Timing lets you fine-tune when the animation starts or how long it lasts, helping you sync motion with other elements on the canvas. Preview your changes as you tweak. If the motion feels too busy, dial back the speed or choose a subtler preset like Fade. If it feels flat, try Pop or a gentle zoom at a moderate speed. Keep adjustments small, watch them play, and iterate until the movement enhances your logo without stealing the spotlight. And that's it. You've animated your logo in Adobe Express, keeping it clear, consistent, and on brand.